For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, this is Hitendra Soneji signing in again for a new knowledge sharing session. Today we are going to discuss about our own boundaries, because we have set our own boundaries within our mind. We have limited ourselves. So beyond boundaries, to go beyond limit sets. Now where are these boundaries set? So these boundaries are set in our mind. This is our imaginary boundaries, imaginary lines, or you can say an imaginary cage. Now we have caged ourselves in an imaginary cage of our own thoughts. We have set our boundaries. Nobody else has set our boundaries. We have set our boundaries. We have set our limitations. So now is the time to see beyond boundaries. Now is the time to come out of your boundaries. Now is the time to think and break open your imaginary cage. Now is the time. What if you don't do things the way everyone else did them? What if instead of walking the paths of other people, you created your own paths? What if boundaries actually became opportunities? So we have all those feelings in our mind. For example, this doesn't quite feel right. I am meant for something bigger than this. Why couldn't I be the person that's doing XYZ things? So stop worrying. Stop worrying. We have plenty of thoughts coming in our mind, which limits ourselves. Right? We start doubting our own abilities. We start doubting our own knowledge. We start doubting our own capabilities. So stop worrying. Stop worrying. Stop worrying completely about the fears and limitations set by the other persons, by other human beings. Now, don't ever have the fear of other persons. Right? Now, when we have a fear of other persons, we start limiting ourselves. So don't fear what the other person will think about me. It is his job, it is his duty, let him think. It is not my cup of tea to think about other person. So remove the fear. There are so many fears going on in our mind. What if I do this and I fail? What the other person will think about me? So lot of fears we have. So stop worrying and remove all the fears from your mind. You can accept boundaries and let them stop you from doing what you want to do, and you can look beyond them and see the opportunities. So it's the time to look beyond boundaries and how things are supposed to be done. The phrase says, this is how it's always done. It's not how things always have to be done. For the first time, if you decide to look past a set of boundaries and trust your instincts, it's scary. Really, it is scary, because it is for the first time which we have decided to come out of our boundary. We have decided now. Right? So it is not easy doing things differently, because we have been in a habit of doing the regular things. Right? We have not been trying something new. We are doing what we have been doing from so many years. So it is not easy standing out from the crowd. And it's certainly not easy to execute unique ideas. I hope that it triggers something in you that helps you see opportunities beyond boundaries, so that are currently sitting in front of you. There are plenty of opportunities waiting for you outside the boundaries. The only thing is that you have to break that Lakshman Rekha. That is a Lakshman Rekha which we have, usko khecha hai humne. We have stretched that. We have marked our own limitations. Right? So we have marked our own Lakshman Rekha and we don't want to cross that. So now we have to cross your own Lakshman Rekha. You have to cross your limits and see the opportunities waiting for you. So, no one is going to hand you a set of clearly defined directions that guide you to a successful future. The most fulfilling path in life is one you create for yourself. Listen to your instincts. When boundaries present themselves, give your internal voice a shot. In fact, a multiple shots. Trust yourself and see what happens. You don't get it right every time by listening to your guts. But believe me when I say that the validation you get from trusting yourself is incredible. It's incredible. So ignore fear. The fear. So where is fear? Fear is always in the mind. So fear is manifested to show a quality or feeling by one's acts or appearances. Unless you are trying to do something you have already done before with the exact same set of circumstances. You should do everything in your power to ignore fear. Understand that it exists in your mind, but don't let it control you, right? So fear is not outside in the world. The fear is only your imagination which is inside your mind. Don't allow the fear to control you. You have to control your fear. So start investing in yourself. When was the last time you actually invested in yourself? Just think it over. When was the last time you actually invested in yourself? Go beyond boundaries to develop new skills, new knowledge, new learnings. So it's time for you to wake up. It's a wake-up call for you now. So go beyond boundaries to get what you want, to get the opportunities, grab the opportunities which is waiting for you, to go beyond limits set. So wishing you all the best to cross your boundaries. Thank you very much.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.